Let's cut across to the politics that's now brewing around 21-year-old climate activist Disha's arrest in Greta Toolkit probe case. Rahul Gandhi now has tweeted saying that India will not be silenced, and in fact, the government is now scared, not the nation. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi, meanwhile, has tweeted saying that the government is actually scared of a defenseless young woman. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal slammed the arrest, calling it unprecedented attack on democracy. CPM, Shiv Sena, RJD have all condemned Disha's arrest. The BJP has also hit out at the opposition over expressing solidarity with Disha. BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya accused the left of using young, impressionable minds as cannon fodder for their politics. Bengaluru BJP MP PC Mohan has now come out in defending the arrest, saying that age is just a number, but crime is a crime. International support has now poured in for Disha, with the latest being Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan and his party has now condemned this arrest. US Vice President's niece, Kamala Harris's niece, Meena Harris, has also tweeted condemning Disha's arrest.
जिस तरीके से उनको अरेस्ट किया गया है वो निहत्ते हैं, और मतलब कि पुलिस उनको एकदम से उठा के ले जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके ऊपर आरोप लगाए हैं काफ़ी जो अभी बेबुनियाद है। अभी कुछ पता नहीं है हमें कि सही क्या है, और अभी ये भी नहीं पता है कि वो बेंगलोर में हैं या दिल्ली में अरेस्टेड हैं, और उनके परिवार बहुत चिंतित हैं और वो पूछताछ कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे ज़रूर लगता है कि कोई भी जो यंग लोग जो पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं हमारे देश में किस तरीके से किसानों के साथ क्या हो रहा है, उनको लगता है कि अगर गलत उनको लग रहा है कि गलत हो रहा है तो वो आवाज़ ज़रूर उठाएंगे, और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि हम सरकार उनके आवाज़ों को दबा पाएगा।
A country which is not afraid of China can't possibly be afraid of Disha, right? And if there is a conspiracy involved, which the government says there is, then they should make Greta Thunberg an accused, and make Rihanna an accused.
गिरफ्तारी उनको प्राथमिकता की दर्ज हुई है, उसके आधार पर गिरफ्तारी होती है। उनको भी अपने आप को डिफेंड करने का अधिकार है, लेकिन पुलिस को किसी फैब्रिकेटेड मामला बता करके, दिखा करके या प्रयास करके किसी के साथ प्रताड़ना की कार्रवाई नहीं करें।
Let me cut across to Maushmi joining us for more details on that. Maushmi, we just heard you speak with Robert Vadra. He has now decided to comment on this, apart from the other opposition leaders who call this a tactic to suppress dissenting voice. Take us through what more we know from the opposition parties. They all seem on the same page when it comes to Disha's arrest, saying that this is just vindictive.
That's right, and the voices as far as the arrest of Disha Ravi and the action taken by the Delhi police is concerned, the way she was produced in court have been growing louder in the opposition. Several leaders from Jairam Ramesh, Kapil Sibal,
All right, we're going to cut across to Maushmi back again. Our reporters are on ground tracking the developments. Disha Ravi is right now in police custody. For 5 days, she will be in police custody. She is being investigated into her links to some Khalistani groups, which the police have established that she got onto a Zoom call where she was speaking with one Daliwal, who's a self-proclaimed Khalistani, and knowing very well that he's Khalistani, why did she have to get on to a Zoom call almost looking like she along with the others, helped in fanning violence on Republic Day? Maushmi there, back with us. Maushmi, go on. Go on, Maushmi.
I was just saying, Nabila, the voices in the opposition are growing louder as far as the arrest of Disha Ravi, the way she was produced in court, even as her lawyers have cried foul, and they have questioned the way she was not even represented by a counsel. The lawyers didn't know which court she was taken to, and that's the reason we see that leaders from across the political spectrum in the opposition have been slamming the government over the way she has been arrested. Now remember, Disha Ravi is a very young activist, and the social media has also been a Shahbaz. But apart from the Congress party, several other opposition parties.
Mashmi, do stay with us. A quick word coming in from Nikita Joseph's lawyer, who speaks to India Today. Let's take a quick listen.
Advocate Sanjukta Dey. She represents Nikita Jacob, a practicing lawyer of the Bombay High Court, who is right now seeking a transit anticipatory bail here with regards to a case that has been registered in Delhi. What was the reason? Why has she come now to the High Court?
See, an MBW is already issued.
Okay.
She is anticipating a arrest. So the basic remedy will be an anticipatory bail application. In this case, the proper jurisdiction will be the Delhi High Court. But since she's a resident of Mumbai, so in that way, she's praying for a transit APA.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but she has already been questioned in this case.
She has already been questioned. Her statement has already been recorded. Panchnama and everything has already been done. All her devices have been seized. This morning, all her family's devices and everything has been seized.
Okay.
So as on today, she has always been cooperating with the investigating authority.
Okay. And what is it that, the fact that she's also written in her anticipatory bail application that she's also registered a counter complaint? What is that counter complaint?
See, at present, we are not in a position to comment on that. We will be counter complaint on something we will be addressing later stage, not at present.
Okay, so what is it she's seeking in that anticipatory bail application? And she's also said that, she has been participating, and been supporting the farmers as well.
See, on a matter of sympathy, if we talk to me, and everybody has been sympathizing with the farmers. But to me personally, that doesn't attract any kind of sedition charges or something. But in any which ways, the investigating authority did seem to be right to be whatever it is has to be decided before the proper court. In respect of support and everything, that is her personal choice. We can only defend her. The Honorable Court will take a final decision as to any charges that have been laid against her does matter or doesn't, does counter or doesn't. So,
did she at any point actually edit out anything like what we have seen in that?
I think whatever charges has laid against her, false or true, will be all the evidences will be provided before the Honorable Court.
Okay, just last question would be, she's seeking anticipatory bail here. 4 weeks' time is what you're asking for.
Yes.
But where is she right now is something that everyone wants to know.
Well, she is in a as and when called upon, she will be present before the Honorable Court. That is all I can say. Yes.
So that was Sanjukta Dey representing Nikita Jacob, and she says that Nikita Jacob at the moment is right now around, and she will be appearing in the court as and when called by the court. With cameraman Vijay Desai in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.